In this video I'm going to show you what a cycle reversal pattern in a volatility squeeze breakout pattern is to the downside, and then also how to use puts to make the trade on the short side. So I'm Larry Gaines, Power Cycle Trading, and I want to show you this one of my favorite setups. And so this is what we call a cycle high reversal pattern with a volatility squeeze breakdown. So if you look at these three charts, first off you'll see that this is GILD. So here's a reversal on a weekly. So you can see it's broken the prior kind of lows here at 81.55 and breaking those today. And then the other thing is you can see on a daily, this is a volatility squeeze. So with our trading model, we incorporated the rules within the model. So when the dots show up, that's what we call a volatility squeeze, when the market is kind of churning sideways, coiling, and we're looking for either a break to the upside or downside. So here you can see the trend line break that happened today, plus our momentum cycle 1 and 2 are down. And we had momentum signals here earlier in the week or last week, and then you can see here on the 4 hour, this was kind of a really good confirmation to this breaking lower. So you can see here's a volatility squeeze on the 4 hour time frame, and so it's been in this squeeze for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 4 hour periods, and now you can see it's breaking the 50 simple moving average on the 4 hour and breaking lower. So potentially a good break for the downside, and you can see our momentum indicator cycle 1 and 2 are lower. So the next thing is to look at targets where it can go, and then if you want to use calls, we used a put debit spread for this. So first off here it's closing at, well, it hasn't closed yet, but it's breaking through this 382. So if it can close below that, then the next target will be down to the 50% retracement 79, and then potentially down here to the 618, and also this is the 50 simple daily moving average. So ultimate target potentially down here to about 77, 78 in this range. And so the trade setup, really defined risk trade setup, was using a put debit spread. So based on our downside targets of around 78, we set up just a $3 wide spread. So we bought the October 13 series at 81.78 vertical put debit spread, 83 cents debit, and we had a pretty decent break here early, so it's up already at $100.30, so it's up about $46, so almost 50% just here today. So if we get a move, we're looking here at 80, looking for a move potentially down to 79, maybe 78. So this theoretically can make 80 to potentially over $100. Now theoretically the maximum profit, we've got 83 at risk, but if it was to close below 78 at expiration on October 13th, this would have a profit of over 200. So really good risk reward ratio. So I hope this helps, and I'll talk to you on my next video.